Good morning, children. I am Srivasan, Zoology faculty, Sri Vidya Mandir Metric, Higher Secondary School. 12th Zoology, Chapter 11, Biodiversity and its Conservation. Going to see about the topic Biodiversity and its Conservation. What is meant biodiversity? Bio means what? Living organisms. There may be plants or animals or microorganisms, the human beings. That is called mostly all the living organisms coming into the category bio. Diversity, variability in the living organisms. We see in our surrounding many living organisms in our surrounding. All living organisms are not same. The variation occur between one living organisms to other living organisms. In this chapter, we are going to study about what is biodiversity. What are the concept of biodiversity? Concept of biodiversity, level of biodiversity, level of biodiversity, magnitude, pattern, magnitude, pattern of biodiversity, importance of biodiversity, importance of biodiversity, causes of biodiversity, where is biogeographical region, biogeographical region, conservation of biodiversity, conservation of biodiversity, extinction of biodiversity, extinction of biodiversity. Right, these are we see about one by one. Biodiversity, wide variety of living organisms, wide variety of living organisms found in our earth. The wide variety of living organisms such as plants, animals, and also other microorganisms. The wide variety of living organisms, plants, animals, and other microorganisms are found everywhere. Found everywhere. Starting from mountains to ocean depth. Some organisms are found in desert to rainforest. These are the areas these are found. All the microorganisms are, all not microorganisms, all the living organisms are vary in the habitat. Habitat means what? Habitat means the place where the organisms are naturally live, that is called habitat. For example, if you live in water, aquatic habitat. If you live in desert habitat. If you live in land, that is called terrestrial habitat. And also behavior of the organisms are varying from one organism to other organisms. Variation in behavior, variation in size, variation in color, variation in shape. All living organisms are not same. The variation in their habitat, variation in the behavior, variation in size, variation in color, and variation in shape. The variation occurs in one organism to these other organisms. By increasing of human population, day by day, the human population is increased. When the human population is increased, affect the living organisms, biodiversity. When the increase of human population, process series of threatened to biodiversity, affect the biodiversity. When population is increased, one way either affect the plant species or animal species and other microorganisms. In the chapter, we are going to discuss about one by one what is biodiversity, concept of biodiversity, levels of biodiversity, magnitude, pattern of biodiversity, importance of biodiversity, causes of biodiversity, biogeographical region, various biogeographical region in India, and also conservation of biodiversity and extinction of biodiversity. These are details going to see one by one. Next, biodiversity in 1992, United Nations Earth Summit, they give the definition for this biodiversity. As per this United Nations Earth Summit in 1992, they give the term for biodiversity, variability in living organisms. Variability among the living organisms. Some living organisms are found in marine. is found in marine. Some of them are found in aquatic ecosystems. Aquatic ecosystem. Some are terrestrial. These are variability occur in this living organism which is survived in this earth. And also it includes, the variation also includes the diversity, the variation within the species, between the species, and also the ecosystem. In this level, the variation occur in these organisms. At the same time, natural ecosystem, the important functions of natural ecosystem to maintaining ecological process. What are the functions? What are the important functions of natural ecosystem? Before we study about the ecosystem, what is mean ecosystem? The ecosystem means the interaction between living and also non-living. Interaction between living and also non-living. That is called this ecosystem. For example, forest ecosystem, desert ecosystem, terrestrial ecosystem, grassland ecosystem. These are different ecosystems. The interaction between living and also the non-living environment, that's the term for ecosystem. What are the important functions of natural ecosystem? The natural ecosystem is supposed to maintain ecological process. What are the ecological process? One is called create soil. Create soil. Due to the temperature, high temperature, due to the sunlight, falling of sunlight, when it falls on this rock surface, heat and the rock is heated by the sunlight. Due to the high temperature, big rock break into small pieces and to form a soil. Create soils. Recycle nutrient. Recycle nutrient. Influence climate. Stimulate or influence climate. Influence climate. Degrade waste. Degrade waste. Disease control. Disease control. These are the natural functions. Natural ecosystem. Natural ecosystem, due to the functioning of the natural ecosystem to control ecological process. What are the ecological process? Creation of formation of soil, recycle of nutrient, and also influence of climate and degrade of waste. Either degrade waste means what? Either plant waste or animal waste are completely degraded by action of this bacteria which is found in the soil, and also control of the disease. These are the ecological process. When this, the same time, when this distribution of diversity of living organisms are, when it is increase within the species, when it is increase, the human populations, what population? The human population completely depend upon, or the survival of human population. The survival of human population completely depend upon the existence of species. Existence of species. Species mean either maybe a plant species or the animal species. Either plants or animal species. Survival of human population is completely depend upon the formation of species, and it also consists of plant species or animal species which is found on our planet. Next we go for concept of biodiversity. As per this Walter Rosen in 1996, they described this biodiversity. What he described? Assemblage of different life forms. Assemblage of different life forms in each species adapted to live in specific environment. There are different types of species which is survive on this earth. Each species are adapted to live in specific environment. Some species adapted to live in desert. Some of them are able to live in terrestrial. Some of them are able to live in aquatic. Like different adapted to live in specific environment. Right. When the changes or when the climatic conditions are changed, it's reflected. What reflected? Distribution of different patterns distribution and distribution of different patterns of biodiversity. Biodiversity on our planet Earth. On our Earth. When the climatic conditions are changes, the distribution of biodiversity is what differ and the patterns of distribution and the patterns of biodiversity also differ, and it is located in a different geographical environment. The number of species per area decline more from tropic to towards force decrease. The number of species per area decline more from tropic. When compare the tropic area towards the pole, the number of species are decline or very less. For example, tundra and also northern taiga, Canada, very less species are found. For example, very less means 12 species of trees. 12 species of trees are found. And compare the tropic region, in the pole regions, occupancy of species are very less. For example, tundra, northern taiga, and also Canada, very less species, that is called 12 species of trees. And also the temperate forest. 20 to 35 species. 20 to 35 species of trees are found. And also the tropical area. Which area? Tropical area. The tropical area, 110 species. Tropical forest, 110 species of trees are found. Tundra and northern taiga, Canada, this area, the very less population. There are only 12 species of trees are found. And the temperate forest, 20 to 35 species of trees are found. And also the tropical forest, there are 110 species of trees are found. 110 species are found. Next we go for levels of biodiversity. The levels of biodiversity was described by Edward Wilson. Edward Wilson described the levels of biodiversity. As per this Edward Wilson, the biodiversity depends as all levels of organization from population to bio. So what is called bio? Bio is defined as terrestrial community. Terrestrial community is characterized a species, complex species or similar species which is found in the terrestrial ecosystem. For example, forest. Terrestrial community is characterized by a simple species or same species which is found in this earth. For example, forest, that is called these biomes. All levels of organization from population means a group of organisms which is live, either animal species or plant species or these human being, that is called population. All levels of organization from population to biomes. And also the three levels of biodiversity: genetic biodiversity, species biodiversity, community or ecosystem. Community or ecosystem level of biodiversity. Now see about one by one. Genetic species of biodiversity. Genetic species of biodiversity mean genetics make up a variation. The variation in these organisms. Due to the genetic variation, Variation means what? Difference. Due to genetic variation occurs in a single species or different species or different population of the same species. Genetic makeup, a variation in this organism, the variation occur in a single species or in different species or different population in a same species. That variation is occurs. The genetic variation is measured the molecular technique. Genetic variation is measured in molecular technique. India is more than 50,000 of genetic variant paddy is described. Genetic variation paddy are identified in India. 50,000 genetic variation paddy is identified. 1,000 species of mango genetic variation species are identified. When the genetic variation in species occurs, when the variation occur, genetic variation or genetic content in species, when the variation is occur, increasing the diversity. Diversity means distribution. When the variation occur from one organism to this other organism genetically, the increase size and habitat of these organisms. Size also increase, habitat, the place where the organisms also what increase. When the size and habitat of this organism is increased, result formation of new species, or subspecies or new race are formed. New race are formed. When the genetic variation in the species occurs, increase the diversity of the organism in the size and the habitat. When the size and habitat increase, result the formation of new species or subspecies or new race organisms are formed. Next we go for species diversity. Variety number of organisms in any habitat. That is called species diversity. Where variety in number of organisms in any habitat, that is called variation or variety of number of organisms in any habitat, that is called species diversity. And also it is caused due to this richness of species. What is called species richness? The number of species per unit area at specific time, that is called species richness. Maybe asking 2 mark or 3 mark question. What is called species richness? The number of species per unit area at specific time, that is called this species richness. In Western Ghats, greater number of amphibians when compare them Eastern Ghats. The variation is occur from one area to this other area. Also the species diversity also divided into 3 different types: alpha species diversity, beta species diversity, and gamma species diversity. Alpha, the total number of species are found in environment or ecosystem, any ecosystem or geographical area. That is called total number of species are found in this any environment or in any ecosystems or in any geographical area, that's coming in the category alpha species diversity. Alpha species diversity means total number of species which is found in this environment or any ecosystem or geographical area, that's coming in the category alpha species diversity. Beta species diversity, the variation between these two adjacent ecosystems. The variation of species between these two adjacent ecosystems and comparing number of species or each species each species in each ecosystems. There are two adjacent ecosystems which is found here. Between this ecosystem, they are comparing the number of species between the ecosystem and also comparing the species in each ecosystem. Each ecosystem that is coming to the category of beta species diversity. That is called beta species diversity. Next is called gamma species diversity. Total number of habitat. Total number of habitat. What is called habitat? Place where the organisms are naturally live. That is called habitat. Total number of habitat which is found in this landscape. Landscape or geographical region. Geographical region. Take example of geographical region. Total number of habitat. How many number of habitats? Or total number of habitats are found in this landscape or in the geographic region that's coming in the category gamma species diversity. That's called what? Gamma species diversity. Next we go for community or ecosystem levels. Community or ecosystem levels. In community ecosystem level of species diversity, variation or variation occurs in the habitat and also the biotic component and also ecological process. The variety of habitat, different habitat, terrestrial habitat, aquatic habitat, marine habitat and also the biotic component and also the ecological process. These all are variety of what? Different location, geographical location. And also India also consists of rainforest, coral reef, grassland and also river flow. These are the different and also the streams. These are the various geographical location which is found in this India. Next we go for magnitude of biodiversity. In magnitude of biodiversity, different species on Earth, 8 to 9 billions of the species of organisms are found, 1.5 millions of species of plants, animals and also the microorganisms. Plants, animals and also microorganisms. Microorganisms are identified. 10 to 15,000 species are identified and also published in all over the world. And from these, 75% of invertebrates, lower organisms, invertebrate, and also India also 12 mega biodiversity. And India also consists of 12 mega biodiversity and 10 biographical area. Biographical area are identified. India also one of the seventh largest country from the total surface area of this world. When compared to the total surface area of this world, India one of the seventh largest country in the world. This is the magnitude of biodiversity. The remaining that is called this importance of biodiversity, conservation of biodiversity, extinction of biodiversity, loss of biodiversity. These all we study next class. Thank you, children.